Let's get you the latest updates on the Tirupati Prasadam politics that snowballed into a huge nationwide controversy. This is, of course, over the alleged use of animal fat, of beef fat and pig fat in the Tirumala Tirupati Prasadam. Now, amid this controversy, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, which is the temple trust, has performed a Shanti Havan this morning. They're saying to restore the sanctity of the Prasadam. Executive officer of the TTD, along with other priests, performed the Shanti Homam this morning. Andhra Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, meanwhile, has announced an SIT comprising of IGP-level officers to probe the allegations. And he once again attacked Jagan Mohan Reddy, accusing him of playing with the emotions of crores of devotees and opening the floodgates for adulterated goods in Tirupati. Now, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam has also established a panel to keep a check on ghee and food quality based on several parameters. This after Jagan Mohan Reddy hit back at Chief Minister Naidu, accusing him of being a habitual liar. He's denied all of these charges and shot off a letter to Prime Minister Modi and Chief Justice Chandrachud.
This is the iconic Tirumala Tirupati Srivari Laddu that is being given to each and every devotee that comes here to have a darshan of Lord Venkateswara. All of these laddus that are being given are made with the finest qualities of ingredients, be it the cashew nut that you can see, the elaichi, the kismis, all of these that have been, procured from the finest quality of ingredients. We are in fact here at the laddu counter where several devotees, after they have had their darshan of Lord Venkateswara, come here and collect the prasadam from this very laddu counters, be it the taste, be it the smell, or these pure ghee made laddus are iconic in their own sense, which is why devotees from near and far throng here to take the laddu, Srivari Laddu Prasadam back home. With video journalist Prasad at Tirumala, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today. The raw materials needed for making all of the prasadam that will be taken and prepared for the deity Lord Venkateswara. This is the Ugranam here that you can see, the go down where all ingredients, be it cashew, kismis or flour, ghee, rice, all of these are stacked here from where, as per the requirements for the Lord, these prasadams will be taken and sent via the crane to inside the deity, the Sanctum Sanctorum, where the prasadams, once prepared, will be sent for the Naivedyam that is being offered to the Lord through this crane kind of process. And once prepared, the first offering will be made to Lord Venkateswara, the deity here at Tirumala, following which that prasadam will be then taken and gone for distribution in and across all locations. With video journalist Prasad at Tirumala, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today. As a means of Samprokshana, a Maha Shanti Yoga is being conducted here in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. The Shanti Homam, which started at 6 a.m. this morning, saw 7 priests, 3 Agama Shastra Pandits, and all of them who are taking forth this cleansing ritual, that is the complete purification process for the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. Here, this Shanti Homam comes just days after there had been a report that had been found that there was adulterated ghee that was used in making of the prasadam here for the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. This report also showed shocking revelations of using animal fat such as beef tallow, fish oil and lard that was used in making of the prasadam there, the Naivedya for the deity. In fact, this Shanti Homam that is being conducted, this has been conducted today between the auspicious time of 6 and 10 a.m. and it had been conducted with 3 homagundas. This apart from cleansing ritual that had been taken place there. Entire cleansing had taken place using the finest quality of cow's ghee and cow products there that were being used, be it the machinery that is being used, be it the kind of articles that are being used for the deity or what not. Each and everything had been completely cleansed as per the Shastras. This Shanti Homam that was conducted is conducted as a means of a cleansing ritual there to ensure that any kinds of sin that might have been conducted here that defile the sanctity of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams with this Shanti Homam that has been conducted will be cleansed and completely washed off. With video journalist Prasad at Tirumala, Apurva Jayachandran, India Today. I'm joined by Krishna Dikshitilu, chief priest of this temple. This Shanti Homam has just now concluded. Sir, please tell us what all has been done so far.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. It is very unfortunate that there is a news spreading all over the world that some ghee which contains some animal fat which was used to prepare the laddus of Lord Venkateswara, which was offered to Lord Venkateswara. So it was finally, evidentially they are showing that it has finally evidentially proved. So after considering so many things, we have decided to come to a conclusion that after performing Shanti Homam to Lord Venkateswara, hopefully things will become normal.
Prokshanam that they will conduct according to traditions, Agama Sampradayam. Second, I am ordering an inquiry, IGP level or more than that. Then the team will establish the facts. Finally, all temples, all prayer places, respect to religious people only will work. Even management committees, only those who are having belief, they will be nominated. We will take all precautions. Finally, we will prepare standard operation procedures for all temples. Accordingly, we will work it out.
ये घटना जितनी चिंताजनक है उतनी ही निंदनीय भी है। जिस तरीके से करोड़ों लोगों की भावना को ठेस पहुंचाया गया है, ऐसी घटना को कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं किया जा सकता। इसमें जो भी कोई दोषी होंगे, ये विश्वास सरकार आपको दिलाना चाहती है कि जो भी कोई इसमें दोषी होंगे उसके ऊपर कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी ताकि भविष्य में कभी ऐसी घटना दोबारा ना घटे।
करोड़ों भक्त आहत हैं, उनके मन में गुस्सा है, रोष है। हम सब चाहते हैं कि इस मामले पर जल्द से जल्द सब तथ्य सामने आने चाहिए। क्या ये हुआ, कब हुआ, किसने किया, दोषी कौन है, उनके नाम आने चाहिए और कितने दिनों में आप ये जांच पूरी करेंगे और कैसी सजा देंगे ऐसे लोगों को जिन्होंने हमारी आस्था के साथ इस तरह से खिलवाड़ किया।
जब तक कोई कॉम्पिटेंट परीक्षण हो करके और उसकी रिपोर्ट ना जाए, इसके बारे में कोई बात कहना, कोई टिप्पणी करना मैं उचित नहीं समझता। बालाजी एक बहुत देश का बहुत बड़ा माना जाना धर्मस्थल है। करोड़ों लोगों आस्थाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं। तो इस तरह से वहाँ के लिए कोई बात कहना बिना किसी सबूत के मैं समझता हूँ उपयुक्त नहीं होगा।
जिस गौ माता को हम पूजा करते हैं वो बीफ मिलाना, आज मुझे पता लगा कि उसमें पिग का मांस भी था और मछली का तेल। कैसी बात हो सकती है? बेहद दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, आश्चर्यजनक, चकित करने वाला और ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि हृदय की धमनियों को एक गहरी चोट पहुंचाने वाला है। मुझे लगता है इस पर कि एक हाई लेवल जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए।
तिरुपति की जो लड्डू की बात हुई, ये बहुत बड़ा आघात पहुंचाया है करोड़ों हिंदुओं के आस्था पर, उनके दिल में। बाजार में जो भी वस्तु बिकाऊ में है उसमें जिस किसी तरफ से भी मिलावट हो, और उन सबको खड़ी से खड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए। देखिए, लोग बाजार में जाते हैं, खरीदते हैं, सामान खरीदते हैं, उसकी शुद्धता पर विश्वास करते हैं, और इस तरह के वहां पर मांस की चीजें घी में और चीजों में पड़ जाए, ये तो बहुत बड़ा अपराध है, लोगों के साथ धोखा है।